Confirmation of a back-to-back Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson Herah's split from veteran coach Stephen Francis and the MVP track club came Monday night via a press release. As Keon Rayner reports in this TVJ Sports follow-up, the Jamaican speedster is now taking instructions from her husband.
This was Elaine Thompson Herah's response to reports that she had written to the top brass of the MVP track club on September 21, indicating her intention to cut ties while appearing on NBC's Brother from Another discussion program on September 23.
It's rumors, of course, rumors, because I've seen articles in the media that I've died before, more than once, so it's always rumors in the media. They always target me, I don't know why.
Fast forward 26 days and the fastest woman alive confirmed the TVJ's initial report in a press release Monday night, noting that she had already started her pre-season preparations for the 2022 season. Quote, "I want to assure everyone that I have begun my training independently and will continue to do so while I finalize all aspects of my team for the upcoming season," end quote. That came a day before the date Coach Francis had given TVJ Sports as the official start of training for the stars of MVP to return from their off-season.
From my perspective, we start back practice on sometime October 18th, 19th, just after Heroes Day. I think Heroes Week. My philosophy is usually to see who turns up.
And as TVJ Sports reported on September 23, Thompson Herah was expected to start taking coaching instructions from her husband and Cameron Blazers affiliate Darren Herah at a location in Kingston. That location is the Jamaica University College, where she is reported to have worked out Tuesday morning away from the media glare. The second fastest woman of all time with a 10.54 and 21.53 over 100 and 200 meters respectively, who will be aiming for an individual goal at her 4th World Championships next summer, says she remains committed to representing her country. Only American world record holder Florence Griffith Joyner's 10.49 and 21.34 seconds have run faster than the 29-year-old Jamaican speedster. Thompson Herah joined two-time Olympic 100 meters gold medalist Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and the 2008 400-meter hurdles champion Melaine Walker, among others, as star athletes who left the MVP track club in less than smooth circumstances. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.